Okay, here's the fun part of these. I got a few scraps here. I'm gonna weld them together to make like a pretend tine. And then I'm gonna weld it onto here and then to that. And then I'm gonna see, I'm hoping that these tines can pick up a couple 100 pounds each. So let's see what this looks like. R&D and go. Oh, there it is, one Fandancy tine tester. All right, there it's all mounted up. Let's try the test apparatus. Okay, test number one. We'll pick up the back of an old Ford pickup. Something bending. Just don't know what. Well, I guess that's why you do tests. And then expect that. I don't know why I didn't expect that, but it bent the tube. Yeah. So it won't come undone, but it'll bend the tube. I don't know. This truck is, well, it's got to be over 1,000 pounds because my little skid loader can't pick it up. So that had to be a pretty good test. Come on, do it. Do it. You can do it. Ah! Son of a... You can't do it! Well, that goes to show what I know. That's not really what I was expecting. It ripped it right out of there. The Mexican tubing is not nearly as good as this 1018 cold rolled, I guess. I mean, it doesn't even... I couldn't even really see that deflecting. It was just bending the tubing right away. Try again. Take it and like it. I used to hang out with this art girl a little bit in the old college, and I never understood her art stuff, but I'm pretty sure it looked kind of like this. Okay, test number 2. That's what it looked like. Yeah. Okay, test number 3. Test 3 and go. Oh, that's not very cool. Okay, test number 4. Okay, here we go. Test number 4. I think we're on 4. A little promising. Idle her up a little. Dang it! Okay, well, that's the last test. I'm getting tired of doing this. It's not really what I was expecting, but that's pretty savage how it ripped through there. Yeah, I don't really know how to keep going. It doesn't look like the failure point's ever going to be these tines like I thought it was going to be. All right, playtime's over. What did all this tell me? Well, besides that I'm an idiot and I can waste a lot of time and I'm not a very good welder, it did kind of show me that I was kind of surprised. I thought the tines would bend and they didn't. I thought the welds would break, and although they did, it bent the tubing way before it broke the welds. So it looks like I'm going to have to add a little gusset in here, I think. And probably not all of them, just some of them to give them the strength. Anyways, thanks for watching. This thing actually even just picked this thing up. It's not even on there.